everyone. My name is Sal Contreras. I am founder of Dent Dial and Dent Experts, the YouTube channel. Today I'm making an announcement on a new product in Dent Dial. It's the 24 heavy duty Dent Dial bar. After getting numerous feedbacks from customers, I really want to listen to what you're saying. I decided to transition this heavy duty bar from 22 to 24 inches. I first want to thank all the customers out there supporting this tool company and the training as well. Thank you so much, and we'll be able to continue because of you. Okay, let's get started with the demonstration of the new 24 heavy duty. Now, as you know, with Dent Dials, they're shipped to you like this, but what's the beauty about Dent Dials is you can bend them into position. Let's do that first before we do the demo, and then you'll see how it works. Okay, for the demonstration, using the 24 heavy, we're going to be using the slight bend tip. I always have my tips wrapped in leather because this tool pushes with so much power, you got to have leather on it. Now, we're going to be using it in a hood situation. So for a hood situation, all you technically need is an I hook that you can find at any hardware store and a small S hook. Just wrap your S hook around the I hook or the I bolt and you're all ready to go. Now, underneath a hood, you always have holes that you can come in from. So just take your S hook, put it up inside of a hole that works well. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll be making more videos on how to use the Dent Dial. Please visit dentdial.com. Leave any comments or suggestions on future videos. Thanks for watching and happy pushing.